In August of last year, we introduced the Project Lead the Way courses, and we were rocking and rolling and doing a very great job at innovating and integrating until... And then in March, coronavirus decided to show up, and so we went virtual. And if we're being honest, some of our days turned out to look a lot like this. But little by little, we learned and we worked together, and every one of our days started looking a lot more like this. And very soon, we will return back to normalcy, and we will be innovating, integrating, and coding some wicked cool apps.
Education, I've learned, has 0% to do with the brick and mortar building and 100% to do with the people inside and that relationship. Hey y'all, my name is Crystal Newsom, and I am so excited and blessed to be starting my second year here at Newsom Preparatory Academy as the computer science education teacher. I am originally from the metropolitan area of Enterprise, Alabama, and this is my 16th year in education. Originally, my plan in life was to go to Troy University, go Trojans, where I got a degree in cell and molecular biology, which means I'm a real big nerd. But this is my second year entering into the computer science education courses here at Dothan Preparatory Academy. Do you have a Tiger Tech on your hands at home? If so, this program is exactly what your student needs. And we are so stoked at Dothan Preparatory Academy to offer not one, not two, but 3 computer science courses this fall. They are all 3 going to be full year course electives, and I couldn't be more excited. Our 7th graders will be taking a course entitled Computer Science for Innovators and Makers. Our 8th graders will be taking a course entitled App Creators, and our 9th graders will be taking a course entitled Computer Science Essentials.
Each day when your Tiger enters into the Newsom Nest, they will sit at their computer and they will immediately log in to their LMS learning management system of Google Classroom. Once they enter into their class, they will see a newsfeed that looks very similar to this. Now, I make it a point to number all of our assignments in Google Classroom, and that just helps us to stay a little bit more organized and on pace with our calendar. On each one of those assignments, they will see a Google Doc that will have instructions of everything that they need to complete. It will have anything that I expect them to turn in with that assignment, and it will also have any tutorial videos or other assignments that they need to look at along with that one. Another thing with us being a Project Lead the Way course is your Tiger will also have an entrance into My Project Lead the Way, which is essentially their digital textbook. So the second or third day of class, they will receive this login, and they will log in each day into My Courses. And then once they get into that, that is where they will see their digital textbook, and anything that wasn't listed in Google Classroom, whether it be tutorials or other videos, will be housed here. Hey, so do you want to be a YouTube star? I bet if we were to ask any of our Tigers this question, we would receive a resounding yes as the answer. So in order to address that in a proper fashion, in the Newsom Nest about the second or third week of the class, we've started producing YouTube videos, content that is specific to our course, that we are targeting a 3rd to 5th grade student, and we're trying to teach them what we do with coding, with apps, and with robotics and other computer science topics. What's amazing about this is not only that your student gets to create a YouTube video and see the process in a very sheltered manner, but also we get to connect to real live elementary school students and make that bond and teach them why they should and why we love tech. Well, I've really enjoyed showing you around the digital version of the Newsom Nest, and I absolutely cannot wait to see all of my tech Tigers next week. So I will leave you and bid you adieu with one of my favorite Tiger Techs, Jaleel, as he says,
Welcome back, Tigers.